Hey everyone, welcome back to PeasyMaster. In this video, I'll show you how to fix an encoder error occurred while recording error in OBS Studio. First, open OBS Studio on your computer. Next, click on Settings in the bottom right corner. Go to the Output section, then open the Recording tab if you're using Advanced Output mode. Now find the video encoder option. Change the encoder to one that matches your computer's hardware. For example, if you have an AMD graphics card, choose the AMD hardware encoder. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, select NVENC. If you don't have a supported graphics card, you can choose the software encoder X264. After selecting the appropriate encoder, click Apply and then OK to save your changes. Now try recording again. In most cases, the encoder error will be resolved. If the problem still persists, make sure your graphics drivers are up to date and restart OBS before testing again. And that's it. That's how you can fix an encoder error occurred while recording error in OBS Studio. Like and subscribe to PeasyMaster for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.